Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a home screen widget on the ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it out, this is going to be the home page we're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with using the ladder application. First thing you're going to do is go to the theme section right here in the bottom right corner and get started with browsing all the themes. You have to choose from and filter out the theme which suits you the most to go ahead and get started following its workout. So once you've selected your theme, you can go to the workout section right here, and from the main page, let's go and take a look at how to add a home screen widget. So basically guys, what you want to do first to be able to add a home screen widget is ensure your app is updated to the versions 4.6 or higher. This is the version that has implemented screen widgets. Then you're going to go and follow the standard widget setup steps for your device. Basically, you're going to go to the main page of your device, and from here you're going to tap on your main screen. From here you can get started clicking the edit button. That's going to enable you to add widget to your device. So you can see you have the add widget option, and once you open up add widget, it's going to enable you to select the ladder application, add the ladder widget, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.